Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving derivatives can be tricky, but we will solve this specific rate of change question in under 60 seconds. Let us get started now. The derivative p' of t represents the instantaneous rate of change of battery life at a specific moment in time, rather than an average rate over a time interval. Since p' of 10 equals 1.5%, the battery life is increasing at exactly 1.5% per minute at the 10-minute mark. This makes option A the correct choice. Option C and D describe average rates, which involve secant slopes. Option B describes the second derivative, which is not what p' represents. That confirms our final answer choice. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid average rates and ignore second derivatives. Always use instantaneous values and check your units.